Sui just locked in a major move in the Middle East, partnering with Dubai's Virtual Assets Regulatory Authority, or VARA, to boost Web3 innovation across the region. And this is big for a few reasons. First, it puts Sui at the heart of one of the fastest growing crypto hubs in the world. Second, it means real regulatory support for builders. Startups in the Sui ecosystem will now have access to workshops, advisory sessions, and clearer paths through Dubai's licensing framework. The deal also includes joint research, policy input, and talent development initiatives. VARA will support SuiHub MENA's Innovation Centre in Dubai, helping connect projects with key regulators and investors. With Dubai aiming to lead on global crypto standards and Sui bringing in tech and developer support, this partnership could spark serious regional adoption. Of course, this is my research to do your own, and for more things crypto, give me a follow.